Okay, good morning. I am Chinmay Mishra, and today we are going to learn about a new chapter from VLSI and system design. Okay, on the last class we discussed about the history of VLSI and the embedded system. Today we are going to discuss the types of MOS transistors, the operation of MOS transistors, and the construction of MOS transistors. Okay, so first of all, let us discuss about the MOS transistors. Okay, actually MOS transistor is nothing but, we can say, the metal oxide semiconductor field effect okay, so MOS transistor is again divided into main two types. One is depletion type and second one is enhancement type. Okay, now this classification according to the type of depletion that is formed inside the MOS. But again the MOS transistor again divided or again classified into another two types. That is, first one is the NMOS and second one is the PMOS. That means again NMOS is classified into D, that is depletion type and enhancement type, and like that PMOS is also classified like depletion and enhancement. This is the basic classification of MOS transistors. Now we are going to deeply get the knowledge about the NMOS transistor and PMOS transistor. Then we go for the depletion type and enhancement type. So let us discuss the basic things of NMOS transistors. Now basically why it is called as NMOS transistors? That is, NMOS means, this N means this is nothing but N channel MOS. N channel MOS or N channel MOS transistors. Okay. Now N channel means we have a channel of N. N is nothing but the negative charge or negative ions. We can say it electrons. That means this N channel is formed due to the electrons. That is called as NMOS transistors. Now how it is? See, if I draw a NMOS transistor, that means I have a substrate first. Now substrate is nothing but the materials. Like we have two type of material or two type of substrate in semiconductors. One is P type and one is N type. So if we have N channel MOS, that means the substrate must be the P type. Okay. So the substrate is P type, so that we have the N-channel MOS. Now this substrate is P type, and we have to make two N region here. Now these two regions are N type. Okay. Now from these two N type, we make the two terminal of MOS transistor. One is known as source, other one is known as the drain. Now in the gap between these two N layer, we have to form the channel. Here we have to make the channel, and this channel must be the N type. So this one must be N type. That means now the combination of these whole three things will make a channel. So we will make a channel so that the electron can flow from source to drain, and similarly the current is flowing from drain to source. That is the current flow inside this MOS. But how can we make this connection? We have to make another terminal, this terminal, as a gate terminal. This is the gate terminal. This is again there is another terminal. Okay. Now here this gate terminal is of polysilicon, and here there is an insulating material that is known as SiO2 or silicon oxide, which make a insulation between the terminals and the polysilicons. Okay. Now in this condition, this is a full structure of a N-MOS or N-channel MOS transistors. Now when we apply some voltage between gate and again there is another terminal. This terminal is known as body, or we can say it is a ground terminal. So simply we can say in an N-MOS or MOS transistor we have four terminals, but we already know that the transistors have only three terminals. But how can it make a four terminal? So we have to sort this source terminal to the body terminal so that it will make one terminal. That means source and body are sorted so that it will make one terminal. Now to flow of current, how the current flow, that depends upon the two voltage source. One is VDS voltage, that is voltage between drain and source, and again there is a voltage that is known as VGS voltage, that is voltage between gate and source. So we need two type of voltage. One is gate source voltage. This is gate source voltage. This is VGS voltage and VDS voltage. So gate source voltage means the voltage connection between the gate to source, and VDS voltage means the voltage source given between the source and drain. Okay. So before going to that, we have to know about the depletion layer. As we know about the PN junction diode, in the previous semester we already studied about the PN junction. When there is a P-type semiconductor and N-type semiconductor are combined together, they form a depletion layer due to the minority charge scaling. Like that, here also one depletion layer will be created. There are two depletion layers due to this N-type and P-type. Again due to this N-type and P-type. So can you make a channel? Now first we have to apply a gate voltage, that is a positive voltage, gate to source voltage. That means we have to make a connection between this source terminal and this gate terminal. This is known as BTS. In this condition, what happened? Now here this is the P substrate and we are getting a positive voltage in the gate region or gate terminal. So what happened? Due to this positive voltage and due to this positive, that is P substrate, the electrons from this P substrate are attracted toward the gate terminal. Now what happens when the electrons are attracted towards the gate terminal? When you come here, there is a passage of electron which are combined here. That means this is n type, this is n type, and here the electrons. These whole three things makes a channel. These whole three things makes a channel. That means what type of channel it is? Now this is n type means electrons. This is n type means electrons, and here is electrons. That means the total channel is called n channel. Total channel is called n channel. Now if this is an n channel, that means this transistor is known as NMOS transistor. Nothing but the n channel MOS transistor. That means the channel created here is n, or the channel is consisting of the electrons only. So this is known as n channel MOS. Likewise, when we go for a P channel, the only changes here, the substrate will be changed to P to N, and here the N will be changed to P type. And if we apply a reverse voltage here, then what happened? Due to this negative charge and due to this N substrate, now the holes are attracted, the minority charge area here in this substrate, that is holes or the positive charge are attracted towards this channel, and this makes a P channel. If this makes a P channel, that means it is again named as the P channel MOS. So this is the construction of a n channel MOS and a P channel MOS. In this way, we can form a n channel and P channel MOS. In the next class, we will discuss about we completed the construction here. In the next class, we will get to know the working of the P channel and n channel. So we will meet in the next class. Thank you so much.